Does ideal marriage even exist? If so, what makes an ideal marriage? There are many contributing factors such as love, trust, time, commitment, effective communication, interdependence, honesty, respect, patience, and the list goes on. The ideal marriage is one which is built by the responsibilities of both the partners. It's not the obligation, friends, it's the dedication towards creating and sharing the happiness. In this, the partners are not envious of each other or threatened by each other, but they support and accept each other with their strengths and weaknesses. Hi, my name is Leena Paranspe, a millennial marriage coach, and I help engaged individual spouses and premarital couples build the base of their special relationship to deal with any postmarital situation and explore new ideas to design their dream marriage. What are the 10 important things which make the marriage ideal and unique? As you are getting married with your right soulmate, you are the couple who would want your marriage to be the unique experience. You would dream to enjoy your marital journey and make it ideal. Here are those 10 basic factors to make your marriage journey ideal. The first on the list is effective communication. Watch your words and tone. Though unintentionally spoken, but words make a huge impact on your relationship. And it's commonly found in couples that one of the partners is emotional. Please take care of what you speak, how you speak, and when you speak. The second is trust. It's the strong factor and vital to make it ideal. You create such a comfort level that you don't have to think twice before sharing any secret with your partner. Third is appreciation. Appreciate almost every little thing. At least in the initial days of your relationship, appreciate your partner for who they are, what they do for you, and what support they give you, as it adds love in your relationship. Next is transparency. Keeping the things transparent is very important to build your foundation strong. Initially being over transparent before knowing each other, it's very risky. It might imbalance your relationship. Your partner might take you for granted. But be smart enough before getting transparent. Forgiveness is the next. People make mistakes in day-to-day life. So do in marriage. None of us are perfect. Forgiveness is important and necessary because you have to accept and give one chance which your partner deserves. Set your boundaries to forgive. Use your smartness in doing so and not only your emotions. It will help you. Emotional support is the next one. Physically, we support each other, protect each other. Why not emotionally? As we dedicate our life for each other, we need to sense, feel, and support our partner at emotional level also. Common interest is the next one. Interests vary, no doubt about it. But somewhere, as a couple, it's our responsibility to come on a common ground and search for common interest and enjoy them together. This will help a couple to spend that we time together. Patience is the next one. It's a key to bring the love and peace in marriage. Creating love in marriage, you need to stay in a relationship for longer time. And that's what a long time investment, according to me, I feel. And for this, patience will always help you. Love. It's a bond, not a contract. So when the person says, I love you, it's not a very great idea. He's thinking for himself or herself. It's concentrated more on I. That is fine. But the true love always is about thinking about your spouse. So falling in love is a step, but nurturing love is a process. Even though there are many curves, as a couple, you learn to enjoy this process. Humor is the next one. It can help you to embrace your playful nature in your marriage. In your newlywed life, humor can be an effective tool, not only just to attract each other, but also to overcome the awkwardness in the process of knowing each other. It adds, as a pinch of humor, it adds the test in your relationship. It will help you to build your bond strong and make your marriage ideal and unique. This is the best season of your life to invest your precious time, emotions, and energy on this subject. I help engaged couples design a structured approach towards this special relationship building. I invite both of you to co-create your wonderful future together through a 1-month course with me to enjoy your marriage journey. Take the action to cement your wedding with your marriage. Leave a yes if you agree and love the content. You can also gift a premarital consultation to your dear ones. Please drop your comments or suggestions in the drop box and become a channel member. Till then, take the initiative to make not only your wedding but also your marriage happy. A great marriage is not when the perfect couple comes together. It is when an imperfect couple starts enjoying their differences. Happy marrying and happy bonding. Love you all. Thanks for watching.